Okay, December 16th. This is the December visit on the apartment. I actually been here a few days already, but I wanted to show it after the professional cleaning, so they really cleaned the doors, but we still have these stickers. The handbills are a problem. The vendors keep coming and making offers. So they cleaned the floors, but it's going to be an ongoing process. There's still like plaster dust into the grout lines. That's gonna, I guess they said, come out gradually. Cleaning after cleaning, it comes up. But I think I'll just get somebody in here with a toothbrush and, really clean it good. I think after the kitchen is done. So the cleaners and movers work together. Actually, I was helping them, put all the appliances to the other side. So this is all ready for the sofa. Kitchen is still coming. So this is the kitchen area. They put a hatch there. You can see that they've actually done some rework on the molding. They built support for it. They built a soffit to support the molding. So, yeah, they've got everything ready for the shelves. I think the shelves and the cabinets, I still think are another 2 or 3 months away. They have to be designed and planned and ordered. I want to get real wood, instead of composites. So it takes a little bit more time. So this will be one closet here. So this is the small bedroom, my office. You can see the floors look a lot better, a lot cleaner. We got the window ledge finally. This was like really driving me nuts not to have a window ledge for so long. That usually comes with the tiles, but it eventually did come. So yeah, that's my hat and gloves on top of the dresser. We're gonna get some door stops so I don't have to have these little boxes stopping the doors. Eventually there'll be a closet here. You can see where the molding ends, so that's planned for a closet. So yeah, my bedroom is even still in progress. I have to get some quilt or cover for the quilt. Balconies have been cleaned off, but not cleaned. I think that will come later in the future. I think once all this work is done, then we can clean all this out. It's a lot of dust. It's just an ongoing process. It's just a lot of dust and dirt. Probably already made a mess again a little bit. Have to get the vacuum cleaner and, tidy up. It's just still a work in progress. On the other balcony here, this balcony here is, all this is construction leftovers and debris and whatever. This all has to go for a special pickup, so I'm sure that'll make another mess, and we'll have to clean it again. So, but it's everything is moving along. The bathroom is looking really impressive. The mirrors are supposed to go up this week. We have everything but the mirrors. So, the shower area is now working. The glass is in. So everything is looking really, really good. Just little by little, at least I'm living here, not having to pay rent. And we could get a sofa, just to relax a little bit, maybe get some simple sofa, sit and look at the appliances. I don't know. It's, a lot of things left yet. The kitchen has got a lot of moving parts. We have to get what they call a domophone. It's something for door entry. She missed the tape here. The cleaning crew missed the tape, but I guess they'll get that next time. We'll have to take care of that later. So yeah, cleaning is going to be an iterative process. The move-in cleaning, there's going to be several of them. Just got to keep it, that way the dust doesn't contaminate the cabinets or the furniture. So you got to keep doing these heavy cleanings. It was like 100 euros. Almost 100 euros, so like 3,100 Ukrainian hryvnia. So it did cost actually quite a bit. It was actually European priced to get this professional cleaning done. And it's, like I said, it's just the first of many. Probably will need them here like 3 or 4 times, as these things get done, and to really get this plaster dust out of the grout. It's still there. It's just really hard. She was here for 3 hours. It was really a mess before. So, but they said it just cleaning after cleaning after cleaning and eventually gets done. Anyway, that's all I got. And like and subscribe. I'll keep posting progress.